Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by validating prerequisites, Woocommerce version, PHP, and a recent backup so you can roll back if needed. Once done, pick the carrier API and register for developer credentials because keys are needed for test calls. Make sure to use a staging environment and enable logging so you capture raw requests and responses. Then install any required SDK or HTTP client. This gets you ready to authenticate and make your first rate and label requests without risking production orders. You now write the integration. Map your Woocommerce shipping zones and package classes to the carrier service codes so customers see accurate options. Next, implement server-side authentication and token refresh logic, storing credentials securely to avoid exposure. Then build the rate request flow, gather cart dimensions, weight, origin, destination, and send the API call. Parse JSON or XML responses and transform them into Woocommerce shipping methods. Finally, cache responses briefly to reduce latency and API usage. You finish by adding label purchase and tracking. Create a secure endpoint to request labels, attach tracking numbers and label PDFs to the Woocommerce order, and update fulfillment status automatically. Make sure to send the customer an email with tracking info and expected delivery. If things go wrong, enable verbose API logging and replay the failing test payloads, check units and service codes, and verify credentials and rate limits. Once fixed, promote the integration to production and monitor live traffic for anomalies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.